Hi everyone, I'm Akash. Welcome to our Laravel Real-time Chat Application Part 2. In this tutorial, we're going to set up our Laravel application using Laravel Breeze. So let's start down. So recently there is a Laravel 9.x, so we're using Laravel 9.x, and if you go to the starter kits, you will get the basic starter kits which you will install for us. But first let's install a fresh Laravel project. So let's copy this and paste it, and let's name our chat app. Okay, so a application will be created. So we have successfully installed Laravel 9.x, and let's just add it. So PHP artisan serve. So before going to that, let's just go to cd chat app and just open it with code editor. We'll use VS Code for this. Start our server, PHP artisan serve. Okay, so let's open it. Localhost 8000. Okay, so it's a brand new Laravel project and its version is 9.44. That's perfect. Next we're going to the menu starter kits and we'll install Laravel Breeze. So, and definitely we install Breeze and React. So PHP artisan Breeze install, then we'll pass React as argument. Let's copy this and run this. So let's add a new terminal here. Okay, so PHP artisan Breeze install React. So there are no command defined in the Breeze namespace. Okay, so there is no command defined. So if we're going to this, so if we go to introduction, so to install Laravel Breeze, we'll write this composer equal Laravel Breeze dep. Okay, and we're installing it in dep dependency. Let's enter. So it's installed successfully. Let's then Breeze and Blade. We'll not writing these, actually we'll use Breeze and React, and actually the previous command. That's it. So it's installed successfully. Let's follow the next. Then we'll migrate this. Does not exist on the MySQL connection. And definitely before migrating, we'll create a database. It would be Laravel chat app, and let's create Ctrl+C MySQL root. So create database Laravel chat app. Okay, so it's done. Then run the migration, and we have not saved it, actually that's why it's calling that. Okay, so migration stable created. Perfect. Then we will use the npm install, because in front end it will install the node dependencies. So definitely you have to install Node.js in your local. And next run npm run dev. So it will actually in Laravel 9.x there is a wide configuration for that, for this. So you can check this, and also with a tailwind and post CSS, it's all automatically integrated. And finally let's run npm run dev. So the white will just compile. Okay, so white has compiled, and let's just reload our application, and you will see some authentication things here, login, registration, this kind of stuff. Okay, that's perfect. So there is now login and registration, there is forget password and every other stuff. And if you check the codes in the resources JS, you'll see some React components here. In the component you will see some React component here. In the pages you will see React pages for here. Like for auth, you can check the login, and we have already using npm run dev, so our white is running. So if we just change now, like let's change this input level, so email address, save it. Wow, it's email address. And if we just check if if it do this thing instantly or not, you can understand it better. So just let's change and check if it instantly. Actually there is a hot reload system, so it will reload instantly. So like, let's check this a little different text. Write this email and look, it's automatically, it's instantly changed. So, and white is super fast compiler, so it's great. Like, so let's change some other value, password field. So that's it, perfect. So we have actually implemented Laravel Breeze, which is already integrated with React, and we have added all of the configurations and that kind of stuff. We've done many important parts actually, and now it would be an easy for us to make a chat route, and in that route we will do our next steps. But before going to that, we will just set up our Laravel server with Websocket. So wait for this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching my tutorial, and please like and subscribe to my channel to get any updates quickly. Okay, bye bye.